We will look into a few of the React concepts. Let's start with React hooks. Basically, React hooks are functions that allow you to hook into React state and lifecycle features from the functional components. Before the introduction of hooks, state management and lifecycle methods were primarily used in class components. Now, hooks allow us to use these features in functional components, making it easier to manage component logic and reuse code. There are few React hooks which are the crucial one. For instance, use state, use effect, use context, use ref. If you're using the state management library, then use reducer, use callback, and use memo. Let's start with use state. This hook lets you add state management to the functional components. It returns an array with two elements, the current state value and a function to update it. Use effect. This hook allows you to perform side effects in your component, such as data fetching, data manipulation, or setting up subscriptions. It replaces the lifecycle methods, something like component did mount, component did update, and component will unmount. The use context. This hook enables you to access the context of a parent component and consumes value provided by context provider higher in the component tree. Before this, we were using the context API, and before that, we were using something called as prop drilling. Use ref. This hook creates a mutable ref object which can be used to hold references to DOM elements or to persist value across renders without causing re-renders. If it's the same value, then it will not be causing the re-rendering. Use reducer. This is more of an alternative to use state and is often used for more complex state management library, something like Redux. Use callback and use memo. These hooks help to optimize performance by memorizing functions or values to prevent unnecessary re-renders. So if it's again the same value, so it's not going to re-render. If the value changes after the manipulation, then it is going to re-render. We'll see the syntax and the usage in some time. Custom hooks. You can create your own custom hooks to encapsulate reusable logic that can be shared across different components.